Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use trim command in AutoCAD. Let's start. For trimming I need some object in AutoCAD for trimming. Let's say and draw a few lines for easy understanding. Let's start. For trim we have to type tr on the command prompt. You see trim is appear here. Click trim. After that we have to select a object or line from where we want to trim the lines. Let's say I start this one, then enter. Now if I will fence this one, I can trim all these lines because this is my boundary. Same be here, tr trim, select this one and select the boundary. This line will be trimmed here. Same here also, same here also. Let's take another example. Again we type a trim, we select this one. You can either delete inside or outside. For this one, I want to delete this one. See here, see here. It's up to you. If you want to delete inside the selection area, you can delete. From outside of the selection area, you can also delete. So this one we can erase. Type E, enter, erase, erase, and erase. Same way we delete here inside. Now we will delete inside trim. This is a rectangle. I type a trim. I select this one, enter, and inside the rectangle we can delete. There is another example. Only two lines. If you want to trim, how we can? We have to type tr trim. We have to select here, trim, select this one, enter. You can trim either this side or that side. I wanted this side here. You can trim. I want to trim this portion. Simply select this one, enter and trim. Same here. Type trim. I want to trim this portion. Select this line, trim. In this way, the trim is working in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.